Hi everyone, welcome. Today I just wanted to show you my new deck that I received from my viewer. I'm really appreciative and I want to give her a big thank you and shout out because I love Halloween, obviously for obvious reasons, right? It's my favorite season, my favorite holiday, and I'm so excited. It was such a surprise to receive this deck, and I thought I'd show it to you and like open it with you instead of just tearing it open and, you know, see my first reaction of these cards. This is the Jack-o'-lantern tarot. It was made in Italy. I think it is so cute. So I just thought I would open it with you guys, and we can take a look to see what's inside if you haven't seen this deck before and you're curious about what it looks like inside. So no, I am. I think I've seen some other YouTubers open this deck as well, but let's just see. There we go. Yeah, so it's like 78 cards. It's spooky and magical tarot cards with instructions. It's cute. Has a little witchy thing. Then there's a jack-o'-lantern. This is from the LO SCARABEO. I think they're the ones that just print the decks. But we'll take a look inside. More packaging. There we go. It's well packaged, I guess, or I just have like really bad nails. There we go. So cute. This is the little book that it comes with, Jack-o'-lantern Tarot. And it tells you how to do a jack-o'-lantern card reading with them. I feel like it even smells a little bit like pumpkin spice, but maybe it's just all in my head, I'm not sure. This is just the little information card about who published the deck. Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the other outside, and then we'll just take a little flip through of what it looks like inside. Let's start. The King of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Page of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. Now it's the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Ten of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Wands. So cute. There's like little skulls and like the corn stalks with little purple butterflies. I love it. The pumpkin is like a carving of a cat. So cute. Seven of Wands. I love this. Just like so cute. Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, the Raven. Maybe that's a hawk. Maybe it's more of a, yeah, I think it's more of a hawk than a raven. There we go. The Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, And 6 of Pentacles, the 5, the 4, 3, 2, 1. Ace of Pentacles. Next we have is the King of Cups, the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Cups, the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Cups, the 8 of Cups, the 7 of Cups, 6 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 2 of Cups, now we have the World. We have the World, the Judgment card, the Sun, the Moon, the Stars, the Tower, the Devil, the Temperance, the Death, the Hanged Man, Justice, the Wheel, the Hermit, Strength, the Chariot, the Lovers, ooh, anyone feeling love? The Hierophant, the Emperor, the Empress, aww, I love her little witchy broom, the High Priestess, the Magician, the Fool, and this is just an extra card, I guess. It just says, again, LO SCARABEO. So that is the deck. I love it so much. You can look at like some of the meanings in the deck. It just tells you like about the deck. It says, are you afraid to dance in the dark? Or is this but a journey into your shadow self? Your subconscious, the things that we forget by the light of day, when all is bright and sunny and warm. It is only through the darkness that light can shine. Is it only a mystery? Darkness, the light can shine. Is it only a mystery that can most unthinkable can be found? And when we all allow ourselves to step into a realm of thought, right? That's exactly what tarot is. You know, some people think that tarot is only about fortune telling, about what's going to come for you. But tarot, especially for people who use it only for themselves and not for other people, as well, tarot is meant to dig deep into our dark, deep emotions that we dare not want to face ourselves. And when we see those cards, and it just kind of like forces those deep emotions to come out. And yeah, you know, face the darkness. We all have darkness inside of us. If we choose to hang on to it or if we choose to let go of it, that's our own choice, right? We all have our own free will if we want to hold on to the dark or hold on to the light. Thank you for reviewing this deck with me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!